Handwriting Hanzi, relaxing for some, a nightmare for others. But the good news is, Chinesimple makes handwriting easy and fun. You can access Hanzi writing practice two ways. First, let's start with the game. Here you have to choose which characters you want to practice. From your own list, your HSK level, the words you miss, or even from others' HSKs. Let's pick some words from my list. These are the ones I'm trying to master this week. Here, we just have to follow the strokes as we listen to the pronunciation and check the meaning. Need help? We can replay it or ask for a clue. Feeling confident? Why not try blind mode? No strokes, just the sound and your memory. By tapping here, you can change your brush style. There are 4 different brushes you can use. Add the word to a list, listen it again, or skip it if you want. The second way to access Hanzi writing practice is in the dictionary. Search any word, tap the pencil icon, and boom, you can start writing it right here. Tell me, do you find writing Hanzi relaxing or a total nightmare? Do you prefer writing characters by hand or using an electronic pen?